Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Niruzstylecorner. In today's video, we are going to see some simple and basic but yet amazing basin face packs which you can do it at home with simple ingredients available at home in our kitchen. Everyone uses basin gram flour for their skin to improve their complexion and get a beautiful, soft and supple skin, helping the skin to remove excess oil built up on their face, which also cleans deep within. Here today I am going to show some 6 simple yet an amazing face packs. So let's get started. First face pack, basin, honey and curd. For this we will add 1 teaspoonful of basin and add 1 teaspoon of curd to it and also add 1 spoon of honey. Now mix all the ingredients to get a smooth paste. Now apply this paste onto your face for about 15 to 20 minutes and wash it with cold water. This face pack can be applied for about 2 times a week. We are using curd in this pack as it gives a softer skin, as it moisturizes the skin and also helps in brightening up your skin by gently removing the dead skin. This face pack is suitable for dry skin to normal skin type. Now face pack number 2. For this we would need basin, honey and raw milk. Add about 1 teaspoonful of basin to a bowl and then add 1.5 to 2 spoons of raw milk. Then add 1 spoon of honey to it to make a smooth paste. Now apply this paste onto your face and leave for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries. Then wash your face with cold water. This pack can be applied twice a week and it suits all skin types. Milk acts like a cleanser and cleans your face and your skin naturally and removes dirt and unclogs pores. Next face pack, basin, rose water face pack. For this, add for about 1 spoonful of basin to a bowl and add rose water gradually until it forms a paste. Here I have taken 1 spoon of gram flour. Now I am adding rose water little by little so that it forms a paste. When you get a paste-like consistency, then apply this face pack onto your face and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. You can use this face pack for about 2 to 3 times a week. Rose water helps to soothe your skin and helps in refreshing your skin, and both basin and rose water helps to brighten up your skin, washing off the excess oil and making your skin look young. It is suitable for oily to normal skin types. Next face pack, basin, turmeric and rose water. To a bowl, I am adding 1 spoonful of basin. Before going to the next step, do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and do please check out my other videos in my channel. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and then add rose water to it so that you would get a smooth paste. I am adding rose water gradually to make a smooth consistency so that we can apply it onto the face. Apply this pack on your face and let it dry for about 15 minutes. Wash it off with cold water. Use this face pack for about twice a week. This face pack helps your skin to remove the uneven skin tone and helps to brighten your skin. Turmeric is an antiseptic ingredient and also helps in acne-prone skin. Now, next face pack is besan, rose petal powder and raw milk. For this, add for about 1 spoonful of besan to a bowl and then add 1 spoonful of rose petal powder . I have added 1 spoon of rose petal powder to the same bowl and then add raw milk to make a smooth paste. Here, raw milk I am adding little by little gradually so that it can make a smooth paste which can be applied on the face. Now, apply this face pack on your face and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Use this for about twice a week, and this face pack helps in soothing the skin. It also helps to remove dead skin cells, leaving your skin bright and also lightens your skin. It helps in giving the skin that beautiful glow which you are looking for. Next face pack is besan, lemon, turmeric and aloe vera gel. For this, we would need for about 1 spoonful of besan, then I'm adding little bit of lemon juice to it. Then I'm adding for about 1/4 spoon of turmeric. Now I'm adding 1 spoonful of aloe vera gel to it. Now mix all these ingredients well. Here, if you require more aloe vera gel to make a smooth paste, please go ahead and add so that it forms a smooth paste. This face pack helps to moisturize and nourish your skin. It also helps in reducing pimples and pimple marks on your face, leaving your skin even. It also helps in healing your skin if there are any sunburns, as we have used aloe vera gel. Use this face pack twice a week and it is suitable for normal skin types. That's it for today's video. Until my next video, bye.